Just a quick tip to all my BMW owners. If you have 5 Series, 3 Series from 2012 to 2016, when you put your car in a sports mode and it shake like a hell, you think like something gonna blown up from the front. Nothing to scared about. Come to Mrik Auto. It's your timing chain off the grid. When the timing jumps, mostly 5 Series, 3 Series, you try to put in a sports mode, they're gonna shake real bad and you feel some awkward when you're gonna drive on the sports mode. So that's the first sign of your engine is going to get seized anytime. So similar cars, we got this 2014 BMW 328 today, another N20 for the rebuild. This engine got seized. Customer got scammed, as customer tell us. They bought this car almost like 8 grand and they just drove it for a day and a half. Guess what? Engine seize. So we're going to make a rebuild. We'll let you know the common points, how to get rid of those big expenses, the front warnings, who everybody most likely ignore. We're going to tell you everything. But if you have any of the similar jobs, similar cars from 2012 to 2016, and you're putting in a sports mode and they shake real bad, you need a new timing chain. Give us a call. We're happy to help you out. On to the next car. All right, so here's the result to buying your own parts. This customer, they came to our shop and they want to put their own parts. We refuse it, then they go to other shop. So that's what happened. They put the front shocks here. You can see my 4 fingers plus 2 more fingers, 6 fingers gap in the front, because this is a universal shock and this is the regular ones. I can only fit my 2 fingers inside. So you can see the ride from both of the side, how it looks from the front and the back. This is the reason we only use our own parts. We don't want that environment like this customer is living right now. They don't have a choice. Either they have to put completely brand new shock according to the spec, or they can return it. And the customer said they can't even return it to the online because they order the right parts for the wrong car. This specific model comes with 4 different types of shocks, which none of the online website shows you or the local stores, unless if you have the correct catalog to check it out, what kind of front struts this car needed. So again, we don't accept the customer parts. This is what's going to result. So now this thing start going to eat the control arms of this car. The bushings are like up face right now. Even the steering rack on this one, tire rims, they are also uplift just because of the wrong suspension. And look at the car height right now. It's almost 3 inches up from the front. So if you guys do want the proper work, you know where to come. Mrik Auto. All right, guys, so if you've got a heating brakes, you feel you're smelling the brakes while you park your car. And when you see one of your rotors, they got red like this. So that's not actually the rust right now. It's heated up with very high temperature right now. You can feel it like this. You can compare with both of the front or the back axle, whatever comes in. So this customer, they walk into a shop. They told me like there's a vibration when the car gets heated up. So what that means was we was figuring out what's happening with the car. But when we check it out, this side and that side, both the front caliper was seized. So it was maybe with the control arms or anything like that, but that's the first thing to check it out. And we figured out this wasn't moving, that tire wasn't moving, the car was just dropping down. So if you guys do have any of the brake issues, when your pickup is gone on the car and you got this red all around this front rotor or the back rotors, that means your caliper is seized or one of the pins are seized. In this case, it's a complete caliper seize. So if you have a similar issues, give us a call, book your appointment. We're happy to help you out. Also, we're going to change complete rotors on this one with the brand new pads, both of the calipers in this one. Also, we're going to do some mandatory fluids from Mopar on this one. This is a regular client from almost 3 years, and they want to get it done today. It's a Saturday, but it's a short notice. We're going to make it fixed because we make our clients happy. If you are our clients, we'll take care of you. You name it, we'll do from bumper to bumper, anything to happen to your car. Similar inquiries, give us a call. attention to the V6 Honda or Acura owners. We got a lot of inquiries about the recommendation on engine health. Just to let all our people know, if you guys do have a 3.5 liter, 3.2 liter from 2000 to 2026 V6, it needed maintenance on 150 clicks. So this car sits right now at 162, and they got recommended for timing belt on this one. They got the estimate from the dealer. They want a second opinion. So we got here the OEM Continental kit for this one. If you guys do have any of the V6s and you already crossed those kilometers, you need that kit. So what this kit comes with, a water pump, tensioners, pulleys, and also the belt. If you want similar services, give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. Also, we're going to put one of the suspension ball joint from here. This is a Japan made. We don't put local made on specifically Acura or Hondas. So all the parts, if you get it from Mrik Auto, you'll get it OEM, like this belt and this ball joint. Any of the similar inquiries, give us a call. We'll happy to help you out, or just come to our shop, book your appointment. On to the next car. If you have a truck or a car that you're using for commercially and equip it with a ZF transmission version 1, this is the one. So this transmission runs almost 80 clicks. And after that, there's a metal shavings inside because they was hauling right beside. It's from Ram 1500 and all the metal shavings are right here. We can't even change the filter because it's punched in. So the better option for all my Ram pickup truck customers, we got this aluminum filter. It's a detachable filter with a plate. So all you have to do is remove the screws in order to change the filter. This is somewhere around $500 plus taxes. This one is $450. We have this larger inventory. If you're driving any of the BMWs, Mercedes, Dodge Chargers, Challengers, Ram pickup trucks, most of the Ford pickup trucks, ZF transmission is pretty common on most of the cars. That's gonna give another life. Or you can detach the filter anytime. You don't have to replace the whole unit, and the filter costs you somewhere around $150 to $200 to replace, especially on this plate, rather than throwing a complete new pan for $500. So it's all your decision. This gives a better heat sinking too on the transmission fluid. So it's going to be a two-way cooler. One is already on the bottom plate, other one you have it in the front, especially on the Ram pickup trucks. Any of the transmission fan changes, we have this inventory. Give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. We'll replace your fan with no worries for another 80 clicks.